Welcome back to the third installment of The Blonde and the Brunette. We are so thankful for all the positive responses that we've gotten to this, and we are looking forward to doing more. Today we're going to do a tips and trick, right?
Yep. Doing a little demo.
So today, Debbie and I are going to do this on ourselves and show you in two different textured hair.
Right.
I will give you a background. My hair, typically I wash on Tuesday. Today is Thursday. So today's the day that I would normally curl my hair. So with that being said, I have very, very curly hair. I actually get a Brazilian blowout every 3 to 4 months. That helps me deal with it, gives me an easy blow dry, and I can still curl, have volume, and it's been wonderful and a total changer for my hair. And I wash twice a week.
And I wash twice a week too. I actually washed my hair Tuesday as well. I wore it textured Tuesday. I flat ironed it yesterday, and it's kind of a little shag today, and I would not wash it today either. So today is my curl day.
Yep. And Debbie has fine hair, but a lot of it. So what you'll notice in her technique, just it being a little bit shorter, you'll probably see her keeping some ends out, just to give it a little bit more,
A little more of a choppy textured bob.
lived in kind of look,
Right.
messy. And you'll see mine, I like to actually slightly finish the end of my hair, the end of my curls, because I do have that longer hair and I want it to look not necessarily more polished, but it actually just combines my top and my bottom, I guess.
So we're going to show you some of these, what we do. We love to educate, so we hope you get something out of this little vlog of ours, but we also want to hear what you have to say.
We'd love to hear what other events you would like us to host. That leads into material for us to show you in our vlog as well. So let us know, and I know we get a lot of blow drying questions. That could be another one.
Yeah.
But we're always open, and thanks for tuning in.
Sounds great. See you soon. Cut it.
Yeah.
Do it again, because we are all over the place.
Okay, all right.